In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel in 2019, and also giving you an overview of the various settings to get you started. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to the right-hand corner and click Sign In. Then we're going to come down here, we're going to use another account. The reason why it says that for me is because I have multiple accounts. And we're going to click Create Account. Now you could choose for myself or to manage my business. This will vary on each person, but we're just going to do myself for the sake of this video. Go ahead and input your details here. And we'll just put in... take caps lock off there. Alright, so we'll do Ryan Smith. Obviously, you would input your correct details here. And we're actually going to click Create a Gmail account instead. And click a password that is easy to remember. And go ahead and click Next. Here, you will have the option to add your phone number, optional, as well as a recovery email address. These are to help secure your account. Go ahead and input your birth date. And click the gender. And click Next. Once you read through this, if you so choose, go ahead and click I agree. Alrighty. And we're going to come up here to the right, click Your Channel, and go ahead and create a channel. You can use YouTube as your name, or you can set it up to something different. For the sake of this, we're just going to go ahead and use our name, or the name that's listed here. Okay, once we click Creator Studio, you're going to get this little message to watch a tutorial. This is actually the new Creator Studio, but we're going to go to the old one as it's a little bit easier for beginners to follow through with it. So here you will see views and subscribers. Obviously, there's going to be at 0 when you first are starting out. And we will just go down the list here and kind of give a brief overview of everything you need to know. First one is Video Manager. This is where all your videos are going to be listed as you upload them. Playlists. These are where you can create a category and sort your videos so they have easy access to view. Live streaming is pretty self-explanatory. Go live. This is more for gaming channels, that kind of thing. So you have events, live control room. Down below, you're going to have community. This is for the comments section here. You will see published comments, any comments that are held for review, and likely spam comments as well. And you could choose to reply to them, accept them, approve them, or delete them on this page. Subscribers, this is going to show your whole list of subscribers that you have. As well as you have some community settings here as well for users, blocked words, and so on and so forth with that. Next thing we have is channel. So here we're going to see all the various options here. Verify is the first thing you probably will want to do. You can verify 2 different ways. You can have them call you with an automated voice message, or you can input your phone number and have them text you a code. Here you will see copyright status and the status of your copyright strikes. Here you will see community guideline status and your community guideline strikes here as well. Here we're going to go over the tabs very quickly, and you can see that there's a learn more with each tab if you would like to learn more information or have questions. Uploading just basically says you can upload. Monetization, you can become a partner and monetize and earn some revenue through ads. And you can just find out more information there. However, you're not able to enable this feature as YouTube has added some requirements. So the first one you're going to have to do is you're going to have to read and agree to the YouTube Partner Program terms and conditions. Sign up for an AdSense account. Set up your monetization preferences. However, before you do any of this, you must get reviewed after reaching 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months, and you must have 1,000 subscribers on the board. So until you meet these requirements, you will not be able to monetize your videos. Back here, you will see options for live streaming and embed live streams. Longer videos, upload videos in longer than 15 minutes. And again, you have to be verified before you're able to enable that feature. You also have the option of setting your videos to unlisted and or private. You do not have to have them public if you do not wish. However, public is the only way that you're going to build up an audience. Next one is custom thumbnails. Let's use custom thumbnails on your video. It's not eligible as you have to be verified in order to be able to do that. External annotations, you can set annotations to external sites or links or any type of website that you would like. Super chat, you must verify your channel before you're able to enable that. Custom URL, here you could find the eligibility requirements there. And content ID appeals and channel membership information here. Next tab is upload defaults. If you upload, same category of video, you can set up some default settings here to make your uploading faster. Branding. This is where you can actually add your own custom watermark. A lot of people add a subscribe button at the bottom right-hand corner. That's kind of the go-to for that, but you can choose it to your own personal one if you so wish. In advanced, you can see more account information. You can change your name, your photo. You can also add channel keywords. So we'll just do one random here. Vlogging. Make sure you put a comma and a space in between each one. Obviously, you want to make these keywords relevant to your channel and your content that you will be creating. Also, you have some other advertisements and AdWords account linking settings you can mess around with here. Next one is analytics. Here you'll be able to see various analytics for your videos. However, the new analytics on the new Creator Studio is actually quite better, as you can have a lot more tabs to view that. However, I would stick to the old Creator Studio until you get the basic handle of it, then you can switch over to the new one. Down below is here where you can view all the different analytics to give you stats and numbers and all that good stuff. Next tab talks about translation and also, transcriptions and that kind of thing. And you can see a video about it here and how to set that up. The Create tab will bring you up with the audio library of some non-copyrighted free music that you're able to use for your videos. And here is the music policies you can find regarding copyrighted music. Now, if you'd like to just completely not even deal with copyright, just search up on YouTube non-copyrighted music. Let's go ahead and just do this really quick so I can show you guys. Type in non-copyrighted music, and you will find hundreds and hundreds and thousands of videos and music that you can download for free and use in your videos with no penalties at all. And congratulations, you've successfully created your first YouTube channel. Let's just go ahead and pop over here to the Creator Studio Beta, just to kind of show you how things are set up a little bit different. As you can see, things are a little bit different. You got things on the side here that are a little bit set up. And the analytics that I was talking about before, this is where you can actually see a lot more. You can see reach viewers, you can see impressions, your traffic source, interest viewers, build an audience. You can see a lot more in-depth numbers and results as this fills up. Okay, so I decided to pop over to my primary channel and just kind of give you an insight to what the analytics, how powerful they really are. And here you can see, obviously it'll be more filled out. You can see real-time activity, top videos, where your videos are being suggested from, reach viewers, you can see all the impressions that you've had, and you can cycle in between the days, lifetime, and all that good stuff. So you can see a lot more with the new Creator Studio analytics. As I said before, it will take some getting used to. However, once you get the hang of it and understand what this information is and how powerful it is, it can increase a lot when it comes to your content creating career. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create your YouTube channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I will be sure to reply to every single comment. And with that said guys, I will see you all in the next one. Take care.